interrupt our programming at the request of the United Nations. All normal programming has been discontinued during this universal crisis. This is an emergency action notification requested by the United Nations to be activated on the universal level using emergency alert system technologies also. Within cable and radio operations across the universe shall broadcast this message. We will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. Please listen carefully to this alert as this pertains to an extinction level event. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The United Nations has confirmed that the universe is coming to an end. It is confirmed that the death of the universe is happening, and there is nothing to stop it. The death toll is currently numbering into the hundreds of billions, and almost all humans on Earth are extinct. There is nothing we can do to stop this. There is no hope.
We interrupted this message due to technical difficulties. While you wait, enjoy this music. Thank you for waiting with us. Anyway, back to the message.
I repeat, there is no hope. The United Nations has selected to play the United States national anthem on the algorithm of humanity's final moments. Please stand by.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watch.